In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a reminder in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the reminder tool, what details to check before saving, and how to confidently create a reminder that keeps you on track. First, open your ClickUp account. You can do this in a web browser or the desktop app, whatever you normally use. Give it a moment to load your workspace so everything is synced and up to date. If you have multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the one where you want the reminder to live. This keeps your notifications and lists organized in the right place. Now head to the search bar. You'll find it at the top of the screen. This is ClickUp's universal search. Click into the search bar and type the word reminder. As you type, ClickUp will surface relevant options. Look for the reminders feature or the option to create a reminder. This is a quick way to jump straight to the tool without digging through menus, and it works the same whether you're organizing personal to-dos or coordinating with a team. Once you're in the reminder view, take a moment to review the reminder details. This is where the clarity of your reminder makes all the difference. Check the title first. Keep it short but specific so it's instantly recognizable later. If there's a notes or description field, glance through it and add context you'll need when the alert fires, like a meeting agenda or a quick checklist. Next, confirm the due date and time. Make sure it reflects the exact moment you want to be notified, and double check your time zone if you travel or collaborate across regions. If there's a priority or tag option, choose what helps you triage your work. Some setups also let you assign the reminder to yourself or link it to a location within your workspace. Make sure that's correct so it shows up where you expect it to. Finally, look at any notification settings, such as whether you'll get a banner, email, or mobile ping, and confirm that the alert style matches your workflow. When everything looks right, click Create Reminder. You should see a quick confirmation or the reminder appear in your reminders list. From now on, you'll get notified at the time you set, and you can always come back to edit details if your schedule changes. That's it. Simple, fast, and reliable. Open ClickUp, use the search bar to find reminders, review the details carefully, and click Create Reminder. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.